What's up, everybody? I'm Danny DeVries with DiabloSport, and this is SEMA 2018. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, Danny DeVries here with DiabloSport at SEMA 2018. Joined with Matt Barger. Matt, the Reaper Stage 1 kit. This is a very impressive thing that you guys have designed. You guys have made it to where the tuners and the air intake work together, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Tell me about that.
Yeah, so that's probably the most commonly upgraded combo on these vehicles, whether it be Hemis or Camaro, Corvette, or Silverado. I mean, really anything. When you get those gas vehicles, a lot of people like to pair tuning with an intake just to get it breathing better, making more power, more responsive. So, we kind of took out the guesswork and provided the Reaper kit, where we're pairing a jammer cold air intake with the Trinity 2 or the inTune i3. So it's kind of the customer's choice in that aspect. And the tuning is already designed to work with each other. So, when people go out into the industry and they want to buy this intake from one company and a tuner from another, guesswork's there to determine if those tunes are going to work together. Whereas our devices are programmed with a jammer cold air intake tune on most applications that adds more power even than the tuning comes with right out of the box. So some of the vehicles, we've added 30, 40 horse to the tires over what the preloaded tuning from the device had without the intake. So there's definitely a lot of potential out there on certain applications, and we took out all the guesswork.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Hey guys, if you guys are looking to pair up an intake and tuner, check out the Reaper kit, Stage 1 kit from DiabloSport. Go to DiabloSport.com, and this is actually cheaper when you buy them together than separate.
Yeah, there's a discount basically for pairing them up, so
awesome.
It saves money too.
Saving money, guys. Saving money tuning cars. Check them out, DiabloSport.com. Matt, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.